Good morning, folks. Welcome back to Twisted Booze Media. I am Mark, and today I'm just gonna do a little short upload for the VW, a little cold start after, man, it's been like 2 weeks. Yeah, no horn button when you lock it, so it's dead. So we're gonna let this thing kind of charge up a little bit. Yeah, nothing. We're gonna let this baby charge up a little bit while I'll show you guys some other stuff. I'm not gonna edit this video at all. Just gonna go straight to the phone, take a thumbnail, as you guys see, and upload it. So, but today we're just gonna do a little cold start on the VR6. Hopefully you guys can see me all right. Find out. Again, I'm not gonna edit, so we're gonna throw the old Matco jump box in here, let it give this battery a little bit of life for a few minutes while I'll show you guys some stuff that we got. We got a green light and we got a red light. Yeah, it's gonna be a minute. So we'll come in here and check out what we got. This thing's gonna be made of parts from this freaking Wish app. Okay, I don't know how good this light's gonna be. Oh, naturally I didn't plug in my motherfucker. Alright, whatever. Bleep, curse word. Alright, so we got this little shift knob deal. Might even put that in. Probably there a little too close. Well, the shift knob is like $6 on Wish. Nothing crazy. It came with a bunch of little adapter pieces, or whatever, which none of I'll probably be able to use. But, well, heck, we'll figure it out. But, other than that, a little GTI keychain or something I already put in there. Let's go try to put this little shift knob in while we wait for this car to charge this battery. That sounded promising. It only clicked once. Let's see what we can get here. Shift knob off. It might actually be the right size, you know, to be honest with you. So we gotta get an ignition relay for this, I think. God dang, it takes a long time to come off. Ooh, yeah, that's tiny. It's way smaller than this one. Okay, so we might have an adapter that'll fit. I'm trying not to drop y'all here. God dang. Well, I guess I'll have to hold it. Hello. I just don't know if this is gonna hold, because these don't have threads. Oh, well, I mean, I'm guessing you kind of just... Oh, yeah. You just thread it on there. It's a little soft plastic. Where'd it go? Ooh, there it is. It's cold. Alright, so it just kind of screws into that. That part of it right there. Well, I guess we'll just send it. Woo! I want my spring in there. Oh, I guess it will sit kind of on the spring too. That ain't that nice. So, now I'm doing that because this shift knob sat right here, right? So when you're sitting here, you're gonna be way down here to shift. So this is gonna be nice. It's gonna make the throw just a little bit longer. And shifting into reverse a real pain in the ass. But anyway, that ain't so bad. So we're gonna send it to the bottom of these threads. Dang, that's a lot of freaking work, to be honest. And it does match the shifter pretty well with the purple and green. Alrighty, wow, that was a easy peasy install. Might have to figure something out where I put like a little washer or something on top of there underneath. That's kind of a pain in the ass. Hopefully you guys can see that. Still no power. This will probably be like a 10-minute upload, hopefully. This battery's totally smoked. 6 minutes so far. Oh, and then we got this little GTI keychain, also from Wish. So the Wish pieces are working out fairly well. Still gonna need the koozie so that shit don't get hot. I think that is an aluminum knob, and this one is steel, so it won't get nearly as hot. But I can't hit the record button because I'm just gonna grab this with my phone straight from the where the GTI parts at. Yeah, sure. Ooh, yeah, Centercast, baby. Got a lot of stuff coming for this car. We do a lot of cosmetic bullshit. Maybe some burnouts or something, I don't know. Dang. Well, I'm just gonna throw this camera back here so y'all can get the cold start. And I'm gonna go fix this and jump in the car and do it. This thing has no power. Well, that certainly sucks. What's up, folks? So we figured out that this isn't giving it power because it won't jump anything that's below a certain voltage. Multimetered it, so we're gonna have to get the actual jumper cables, start the dang canyon up, and do it that way. And again, we've been on the trip, so this truck also hasn't been started. But we got these ugly things. Hate using them, mainly because they are ultimately useless nowadays unless the vehicle is completely dead. We are also taking this thing down to Wyatt Johnson today to see if we can't, see if they'll let us resolve the transmission issue this thing has. I guess we just do yellow on red. That's also something that doesn't make sense to me. Yellow and black things. Yeah, that's dumb. Where's my stud at? Brown stud. Damn. Wow, these work so good. Who the hell designed this bullshit? So cheap. Where's my plus stud? There we go. My plus stud. Yeah, buddy. Now we got the power. Now we start the car. And now we're going to do the cold start for you. Bam! In just 2 weeks. Well, we need even more power, baby. Hopefully we got what we need now. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that little adventure of having to jump start every fucking thing after 2 weeks away. Probably pissed off a neighbor or so, maybe. But again, it's about noon, so who gives a shit? But, oops, nasty shit on my lens. So we will see you in the next one. Sorry we didn't upload a lot over the last few weeks. As you guys saw in my stories, we are back. We're going to an event this Sunday. We'll see you later. Y'all have a great day.